Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect changeover switch wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Single phase electric meter, double pole MCB circuit breaker, two magnetic contactors, another MCB circuit breaker, power generator, house load, phase connection input to electric meter, neutral connection input to electric meter, phase connection output from electric meter to connect MCB circuit breaker, neutral connection from electric meter to connect MCB circuit breaker, phase connection from MCB circuit breaker to connect magnetic contactor 2 point, phase connection from magnetic contactor to another magnetic contactor, phase connection output from magnetic contactor to connect MCB circuit breaker, neutral connection connected to MCB circuit breaker and magnetic contactor, neutral connection from magnetic contactor to another magnetic contactor, neutral connection between two magnetic contactor NO point, phase connection from MCB to connect generator, neutral connection from MCB to connect generator, common connection between two magnetic contactor, coil connection, common connection between another magnetic contactor to another magnetic contactor coil connection, phase connection to house load, neutral connection to house load, earthing connection to house load. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.